Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a freezing cold day over here in 8 House Green, Colchester. We've got a couple of alterations to do on this garage. First of all, we built this level, but the eaves are coming down. As I say, the drawings here haven't been the best, but we're going to get this sorted anyway. Then we're going to put a steel across here today. We're going to get all this scaffold down as well. I've got to put a course of blocks across the top of there. Then that is that finished height. We've got a bit of alterations to do on the lintel down the far end. So today it's me, Dale and Billy over here. We're going to crack on. If you haven't already, ladies and gentlemen, please hit that thumbs up, please hit that like and subscribe. If you like any brickwork contracts or anything like that, then this is the show for you. Let's go. So I've just drawn myself a line right the way through this bit. That's our finished height, 150 above the lintel there. This will be plate and then the eaves will come down. It's a hipped roof as well, so it runs into there. Lovely old job. There we go, we've got them all cut off now. I had to do the same as well around this back. Bosh. We're all through there now, nice. So now we can bring this inside up to this level. Well, the old sand is starting to do frost now. The sun's up, it's starting to get up anyway. So you never know, we might get something laid in a bit. There we go, look. 9:42 and it's still -3. No wonder the sand is frozen. Right, the sand was all frozen, but I took the crust off it and chucked it in that bag to defrost. So you've got a decent sand underneath there. It's still bloody cold over here, but just about warm enough to lay. It's going to get above 2, so we should be okay. There we go, there's our height then. That works out to 2250 from the inside floor now to there, so that's bang on where we want to be. Lovely old job. So let's quickly run this course in through here, then we've got to take the roller coaster down. Woohoo! I've got to admit, it's been a dodgy old scaffold, but it served the purpose. Right, we've got a course on there now. Lovely. So now it's time to take the roller coaster down, get it all down to the ground. Lovely. Tricky brickies on the spanner, boys and girls. Turning the stairs. There we go, scaffold down. Boom. Right, I'm going to work on this front now. I'm going to get the steel on here. Steel's down there on the floor next to the scaffold, so we get some bed on here. Going to get that bad boy on and get it all level around the top. Well, Billy's down the other end. Oi, oi. Big lintel, yeah? Boom. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, look at that. They don't call him the Tricky Bricky for nothing. Woo, baby! Come to Papa. So all I've really got here, look, we look through there. I've got about a 10mm bump on this brick over there, but I tell you what, I'll take that all day long. Happy days. Good. So the reason why we built that wall all up so high there, now we're going to have a wall plate that runs along the top of that, which is a piece of timber, and then in the piece of timber then you get the trusses, which forms the roof, sit on that piece of timber. We've also got a piece of timber running along here as well, and then the eaves drop down. That's why we took them 2 courses off of there. Lovely old job. Right, let's get these blocks and bricks over the top of this. Yo! Right, so I've got blocks coming along here now over this thing, but I'm having to take little notches out of the back of the block just around these piers, bits here, like I've done in here. Yeah, so I'm having to chip out the back of the blocks just a little bit where these pegs are. But other than that, we're all good. So we've got that block to go on there. And then we've got a brick going on top of that. And then we're happy days. Bosh.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best.
There we go. There's that all on, ladies and gents. Happy days. I messed up. I put some blocks on the front first of all, but then I took them off and did the right levels again. Don't know why, I just had a blank moment. I laid a course of blocks through there. Weird. Haha. Anyway, that's ready now. The chippy's got cut me some plate and I can bed that on in the morning. We're right up to the top there. Boom! So then the next bit will be back upstairs, messing around on the inside, backing up the block work, and carrying on in there. Oh yeah. Right, so Tricky's ruined his trousers last night, trying to dry them, burnt a big hole in them. So I've come to ye old favourite, Sports Direct. Haha. Buy some joggers, yo. Look at that, look, 2 for 20. I didn't get 2. I bought 1 for 13. Happy days. Tricky bricky, look. Some prison joggers. Lovely old job. So that is the end of that episode, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, take care. Peace out and pow.